I'll just scan them for all of us. My hair's a treat
Here we go.
I'm on. Keep your eye on Jack. Alrighty. Woo! Get the baby! The baby! Someone get the baby!
They forward it! Hold on!
Get the baby!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The baby! Good morning, girl! The baby has teleported! Thanks! Oh, girl, get that baby!
Hey, sweetie, come to mom.
Girl, get that baby right now! Come on, girl! Jack, Jack, come on!
You set the tunnel on fire. Use your
Jack, Jack, get your goodness. Maybe go through all that to get your home. Oh, girl, that gave me. Good morning. That first drop. That first drop.
That was awesome. That was awesome. That was
That was
fantastic.
great. Okay, now like I have my nerves for this one out.
See, you're ready to go now.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
I'm like, I can do hard things, sit in a roller coaster. I have to be like silly, yelly moves. Like, no, get the baby!
Oh!
Good morning! You! Hey, girl! Look how big it is. That one's so good.
Tremendous,
and the
darling.
Be unpredictable. Yeah, mom. Super babies.
Yeah, mom, super babies. Panic, how do you feel about super
Please
babies?
remain seated until the coaster
Super
comes
babies.
complete.
Okay, I gotta look at my pic because I mobbed on that one. Panic, I hit the Melania.
For your safety, make sure you pull down on the shoulder restraints to block some things. Keep your head firmly on the ground.
I hit the Melania.
Yeah, mom.
That was
super
awesome.
Baby.
That was awesome.
Super baby.
I'm like, can I go again? Can I go again now, please?
One more time. maybe before we go, we can wait in the line before it closes.
They do have a single rider line here, so that might be something.